Yo, what's going on today, guys? I want to talk to you guys about something really important that I see a lot. Like, you need to stop letting people walk all over you, right? And if you're watching this video and you had a recent occurrence of somebody taking advantage of you, somebody doing something that you knew was wrong, you knew they were taking advantage of you, and you were aggravated by that, the fact is it's your fault. Being too kind and being too nice, it puts us in a very tight situation. We feel as if being nice is always the answer. Like, in the business world, there's gonna be a lot of people who piss you off. There's gonna be a lot of people who just like are not on the same wavelength as you. And you gotta stop letting people walk over you. Like, being too kind is not the fucking answer. You need to stand up for what is yours. You need to stand up for your viewpoints, your perspective. Like, there's so many different kinds of people out there. I just quite frankly think that a lot of people are not successful because they don't have a hard enough shell to be an entrepreneur. You just don't have what it takes to get what you want, to maneuver the space, to have that right demeanor, and to sometimes just be a hard ass. Like, that's how it is. Like, everybody's out to get their own. Everybody's in this competition together. You're gonna get walked over if you're not willing to put your foot forward and fucking tell the world what you know is yours.